Okay, and the next part of level 1 is to play just the main notes of the melody. It's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whāia, whāia, whāia te iti kahurangi, ki te tū o hukwe, me he maunga te te. The notes were, or the fret numbers were, 8th fret, 6th fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret, 1st fret, and then I changed strings to the 2nd string, 4th fret, 1st fret, change back to the 1st string, 3rd. Try it with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 8th fret. Whāia, 6. Whāia, 5. Whāia te iti kahu, 3. Rangi, 1. Ki te tū ohu, change strings, 4th fret. Kwe, mehe, 1st fret, 2nd string. Maunga te, 3rd fret, 1st string. Te. Okay, here's the main notes for the English, starting on the 1st fret of the 1st string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Strive on and on to the heights. Stumble only to a mighty mountain. Stumble only to a mighty mountain. All right. I'm going to do both of them together now. Here we go, starting from whāia on the 8th fret of the 1st string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whāia, whāia, whāia te iti kahurangi, ki te tū o hukwe, me he maunga te te. Strive on and on to the heights. Stumble only to a mighty mountain. Stumble only to a mighty mountain. Whāia.